Good morning, and let's tell you about the top 5 stocks that you should keep an eye out on in trade today. Do remember Burger King has been grabbing the headlines with respect to its massive debut on D Street, and it looks like there is news within the QSR space. Its competitor or peer, if you will, that's Jubilant FoodWorks, is now moving away from just pizza. So they've got a new foray. Jubilant FoodWorks has now forayed into the biryani business with the brand called Ekdum. In fact, their operations are going to offer a wide variety of biryanis, and this is going to be across India. The starting price of the biryani is going to be super affordable at 99 rupees, and Ekdum began with 3 restaurants in Gurgaon for delivery, takeaway and dine-in, and now they plan to open up more restaurants in the NCR region, and this is going to happen over the next few months. The management is very optimistic of this plan, says that this foray is in line with the company's strategy of portfolio expansion, and they see strong potential in this segment, and they are very confident that Ekdum will do well. Watch out for Snowman Logistics as well, and the company is looking at to consider fundraising. This is going to be via the QIP route in their board meet that takes place on the 21st of December, so keep an eye out. Meantime, some of those sugar stocks in the limelight, as the cabinet yesterday approved an assistance of 3,500 crores. This is for the exports of 6 million tons of sugar in the current marketing year through September 2021. And this is in order to cut the glut in the domestic market and help some of these cash-strapped mills to clear their dues to the cane farmers. The subsidy amount will be directly credited to the account of the cane farmers against the outstanding dues of the mills, and they also cleared an allocation of 5,361 crores towards the subsidy for the last marketing year, that's 2019-20, when they announced an export assistance of about 10,448 rupees per ton. The cane carriers, remember, had carried forward from the last marketing year, and that stood at about 3,500 crore rupees. And this cabinet decision is at the moment coinciding with the agitations that we're seeing by the farmers in the national capital against the 3 farm bills of the centre. So this latest move is going to catalyze exports to the tune of 18,000 crores. Meantime, Aster DM, watch out, as the company has acquired a company in the Grand Cayman Islands, Aster Caribbean Holdings, so keep an eye out. Power Grid is on CLSA's radar. They maintain a buy rating on the stock with a target price of 225 rupees, saying that Power Grid will announce their first interim dividend of the year at rupees 5 per share, and they're now moving towards interim dividends, multiple interim dividends rather, and they believe the CLSA that the cash flow is comfortable with 111.5 rupee per share dividend for FY21, and that the power capex may start in FY23, but its dividend will remain.